Good morning, you guys. Today is Wednesday and it is currently 9:46 and I just got back from walking. I did a 3-mile walk when I got up this morning, and today is the day I'm going to be starting this catastrophe here. So my TV stand is getting delivered today. I don't know what time. I actually need to check that to see what time. Please excuse the light. Please excuse that. And then I'm also going to spray paint the coffee table. That is going to be the coffee table. And then so first, let me just say first, I'm about to make me some breakfast. I made me like some mozzarella tomato toast. It's in the air fryer right now. And after this I am weak as fuck. But after this, I am going to take a shower and then get ready to go, because I have to go get the picture frames and print the pictures out that I'm putting on the wall. And then yeah, that's if it comes late, well, no, tomorrow is going to, so it's going to be, I'm going to be doing it today and tomorrow. Like I said, the spray paint won't be dry until then, so that's when I'll do everything. But I just wanted to let you guys see the before, and then tomorrow we'll definitely get started with everything. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I don't even know what I was saying, but I just made it to Walmart and I am about to go in here and get the picture frames. Hopefully they have the sizes that I need, because I came in here a few days ago and they only had one size, so we gonna see. And then after this, I also have to get like some tools, screwdrivers, hammer, nails, because I cannot find our stuff. I don't know where it is. I just don't know what happened to it. So like, I look washed out. Okay, y'all, so this is the size that I think I want. This is the size 20 by 30, but I wanted like the skinny base. So I think I'm gonna do these. Can you show me like where the nails are? Like a pack of nails?
Right in the house.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Command strips. These nails. Okay, you guys, so I just did the pictures and excuse my hair, y'all, it got wet when I was working out. And yeah, so I just set up to do my pictures. They should be done in about ready within an hour. To kill time, I'm gonna go to Ross to see if I can find another like something decor-y for my table, because the only thing that I have is the tray, I have like this thing that says Hello Fall and a candle. I want one more thing to put on there. I had a pumpkin, but like I said, it broke and it was so cute. If you made it this far to the video, please let me know what type of content you guys would like to see, because hopefully you guys could hear me. My ear was blasting because it's hot. Please let me know what type of content you guys want to see, because at this point, like, it's getting pretty repetitive when it comes to me doing the same thing, and I just don't know if that type of content is working for me. So please let me know if you want to see something specific. Like, I'm not really into like doing get ready with me's because I don't really go anywhere like that, and when I do, it's just spur of the moment. But if you guys want to see anything like that, please let me know, and I will definitely do something that I haven't done. Okay, you guys, so I am back home and I got the pictures right there, and the first thing that I'm about to do is clear this stuff off of these tables here, wipe them down, unscrew them, and take them outside so I can spray paint them. At first, I'm going to put the pictures in the frames, because the cardboard that I'm going to use is like for the spray paint and stuff. I'm just going to use it that's in there, so I won't, you know, mess up the deck or whatever. So I'm about to go ahead and get this started, and yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me.
I just finished spray painting the legs and the table. I think I'm going to have to get more white spray paint, because the way that's looking, I'm not liking the way that's looking. So I might have to go to Lowe's and get another spray paint, a matte white, because this is black, so it's harder to, you know, get it completely white. So I need to go get another one and do that. So I'm waiting for that stuff to dry. I'll let it dry for about an hour, and then I'm going to flip the legs over and do the other side of the legs, and then I'm gonna do this other table. I didn't do the other table because there's not enough space out there. So I want to show you guys what I got from the store. You guys seen the tools and stuff that I got from Walmart, so I'm not gonna show that. And from Home Goods, I did go to Home Goods and I got this pumpkin here. It says Thankful. It was $7.99. They had a bigger one, but I feel like it'll be too big for the table. A salt and pepper shaker, because we need one. I really wanted, well, we didn't need it, but I wanted one, and I've been looking for one for a while, so I got that. This was $9.99. This little cute dog thing, how cute is this? It was on sale for $5, y'all. And then this is the tray thing that I got a couple, like last week sometime. This is what the stuff is going to sit on. So this tray, this black tray here, ooh, it's cold. So this is basically what it's gonna look like. And then I have this Hello Fall thing as well. Let me get that. So this is basically what it's looking like so far. I got this from Ross. This was $8.99. And yeah, I think that, and then I have that candle over there as well. I don't know if I really like this. I wanted something circle, and honestly I need to see if I can find their receipt because I really don't like that. Okay, you guys, so the TV stand is now here. I actually don't know what time it got here. I just opened up the door and it was there. So show y'all the progress of the tables. That's what it's looking like. I'm honestly not sure if I want to put all 8 legs. I think I'm just going to use 4 since I am nailing them together. So I haven't really decided yet. Currently 4:52. I'm about to go ahead and unbox this thing and hopefully get it done before my boyfriend gets home. And then after that I am going to start dinner, and then that'll be that, and then everything else will be getting put together tomorrow.
If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. I will try to tag everything that I have below. So if you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know down in the comment section below. And yeah, I will be adding, you know, stuff here and there. I did try to add like some fall decor in there, but like something, I don't know if I'm gonna put something over there, but right here I decided to go ahead and put the mirror right here. I may go ahead and get a second mirror, either the same color or maybe black, or I'll put black in our bedroom because this was in our bedroom. So I'm going to see how my boyfriend feels about it, and then yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and like I said, if you have any concerns, questions, or anything, please let me know down in the description box below. I will see y'all in the next video.